So you never watch corn grow. Okay. Like,
No, I
you're
actually don't.
Mister. You never watch corn.
No.
You never saw a grass of corn.
No.
That,
Like, I've seen corn before, but I've never watched it grow.
like, you never looked at a field and there was corn in it.
I have. But I thought you were talking about, like, watching it grow.
But if you see it, it's growing. Did you know that? So
It's like,
just saying no like that is very unprofessional. I
no,
think we
it's more
can't
like,
hire you.
it's more like we're saying, have you ever watched corn grow for, like, from the seed all the way to the crop? Like, all the way to it's like, the corn itself is like. That's where
I can't believe you. Don't talk to me right now.
I'm talking to you. What are you gonna do about it?
God damn. I guess I gotta go kill myself.
You better. You want me to help you with that? I got like a nice shotgun that I really want to try out. Can I?
Yeah. You're gonna waste your bullets on me.
Just come here and I shoot you. Come here, man.
I'm good practice. I'm just walking in a straight line.
Come on, man. Come here. Shotgun is not good for long range, you know. What the fuck? Alright, I'm done playing. I'm gonna get off, start working on some other experiment or something like that. Okay, I'm actually leaving now. Bye.
Shotguns are useless.
Apparently, I shot you right in the face. This thing sucks. What the fuck?
Oh,
There
you
we
finally got it, man.
It's not like this thing
Caught the
so shitty.
bunny wrap. Oh shit.
You're like, oh shit. What, you saw me pull out the fire axe?
I can get around the fire axe if
You
you
can.
want, but do I really want to?
No.
Not really.
I already knew you were answer.
Because I'm playing with fire right now.
You are?
Yep.
Is it because you know I know how to use this axe okay enough?
No. It's because you might get off if I kill you over and over again.
Yeah, that is true. I didn't even thought about that. I didn't even thought about that. If you kill me enough that I would just quit. I forgot about that part. Hey Carson, you should like kill me a couple more times, man.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Alright, see you later, Carson. I'm leaving. Okay, bye. It was nice playing with you, I guess.
Huh? Yeah, have this meal pack.
Dude, I haven't ate anything this entire time. I love it. This is so more realistic. Totally. I could go sledding, man. Dude, this is like the best hill to do it. Whee! Yeah, that was fun. Even though I hit
The
a tree.
best.
I even hit a tree. That was fun.
Yeah. Yep. I'm not gonna talk about it.
Come on, let's talk about it. It was so much fun. You should do it sometime.
We're not gonna talk about it.
We're gonna talk about it. And you're gonna like it. I can hear your gameplay.
You can?
Yeah.
Alright, let me turn it down.
Alright. just turn it up?
No. Turned it
Was I-
down.
No, you did. I could hear you walking right now. Wait, that's not your gameplay. Wait a minute. That motor doesn't sound like your footsteps. What the fuck? Why are you just listening to that to the background?
Don't ask questions.
Like, how can you not?
Don't ask
That's-
questions.
That's like it seems a thing like you need to talk about. Like, why are you watching? What are you watching? Yeah. Gotta make spear. Oh, I just made a bow. Cool. Oh, what the fuck? Where is my bow now? There it is.
There's a bow when you need it.
I don't even have a arrow for it, so I just made something I didn't even need. Cool. Ooh, Rabbit took us to new location.
So, do you know what we're doing?
Not a clue. Are you trying to take me to the katana?
No, we're going hunting.
For
Virginia.
oh, okay. Does she like usually spawn near like?
No, I don't have no idea where she's at.
No. Don't she like
She
just come
could be
towards us?
anywhere on the map.
Does she like? Can't she just walk towards us? Does she know where we are?
Yep. We gotta go hunt for her, though.
How about we just do the Uno reverse and let her hunt us? Because we know she ain't deadly.
Imagine. No, did you not know the new update?
No. What is it?
You attack her, she shoots you.
She has a gun now?
Yep.
Hmm. Interesting.
But you just can parry it, you know?
That's why we got
Did you know you can block gunshots if you hold down the block button?
I do now.
Try it.
You want me to shoot you? Alright.
Sure.
It doesn't work.
Let me get a freaking axe.
Ready?
Yes. They patched the update.
Hey, dude, this seems more like a win for you. You just made me waste more ammo. Dude, we need to go sledding down this hill, man. Come on, man. You grumpy old man. Come on, let's do it.
I don't think my bones are ready for it.
Dude, this is actually sick. Why is this actually fun? This is awesome.
If you think this is awesome, wait until you get the hang glider.
Oh. No, dude, go down the hill.
You're a bad